Hey everybody, I'm Emily. This is Emmylou Arts. Today I am going to do some creative journaling in my A6 Hobonichi Techo. So grab your journal or your sketchbook, your watercolors, your paints, whatever your heart desires, and be creative with me. So in the car the other day while I was waiting for Girl Scout cookies, I passed the time by recording a little video and showing you guys the cute little book that my mom made me out of these little envelopes. So she told me the original tutorial that she watched was from Gail Agostinelli. I hope I'm saying that right. I'll link her channel, the tutorial below, so you can go see it because it's a great tutorial. So these are the little envelopes that she got at Hobby Lobby, and this is actually a really pretty napkin that I think she got at, I'm not sure where she had this one. It might be from Dollar Tree, or she might have had it from my grandma. I'm not sure, but she gave me one. Well, no, it was a whole pack, so I think she got it at Dollar Tree. And I'm just using my matte medium to kind of glue one layer of that napkin on. You can kind of decoupage with napkins. I don't know if that's the right word, but you kind of spread it around and then you put the napkin on and then you spread a layer of the matte medium over it, and it kind of acts like glue. I think white glue would probably do the same thing, but this is a little tube of the Davenport matte medium. I also have a bigger jar of it. I was just trying to use this little tube up. But napkins are a really fun thing to play with, and I had gotten Debbie's Journals, that channel. Was watching a flip through of hers, and she had used a napkin on one of her pages, and it reminded me to use napkins and to grab this. So I love this napkin. It looks kind of vintage and cool, so I decided to do that on there. I made 2 of them and then kind of arranged them how I wanted them in my journal, and then sort of made an X on which side would show, so which side I needed to do the napkin on. So I kind of cut out a lot of that because it took a little bit of time. And then my awesome son drew me this dinosaur at school. I think he called it an Allosaurus or a Apatosaurus, something like that. And I thought it was amazing. The head was so cool. So I was like, can I use that in my journal, buddy? He's like, oh yeah, oh yeah. He's like, are you gonna give me credit for it? I said, of course I am. So just so you all know, he drew that dinosaur head and he's very proud of it. So I'm putting that in my journal. And today, actually, after swimming lessons, we went and we got my daughter's ears pierced, and she was so brave and she was so excited, and her brother was such a big helper with her. He held her hand and he said, oh, Sushi, you're gonna do it. You look beautiful. Oh, you're so brave. And he was just so sweet to her. She was nervous, but she wanted to get it done really bad. So I picked some stickers from the American Crafts Paige Evans sticker book, and then the American Crafts, I think it's called Everyday sticker book, something like that. I've been linking them below if I can still find them. I got mine at Tuesday morning on sale, but I was able to find them on Amazon. They were just more expensive. So if you have a Tuesday morning, check that out. And then I used my Sprocket to print pictures of her. And I did say Sushi. He calls her Sushi because he used to call her Sissy. Well, we all call her Sissy. But then somehow it turned into Sushi, and then it turned into Sush. And so he calls her Sushi, which is really funny. Like, I don't know. It's just so cute because she answers and he's like, come on, Sush. And she's like, okay. It's just the cutest thing. So, yeah, that's what he calls her. I don't know where that tangent came from, but I put in a picture of him holding her hand, and when I show you the journal page like up close, look at the look on his face in that picture because it's hysterical. It is just such a good representation of his personality. But she had a lot of fun. She picked little purple sparkly studs, which were really cute. And those stickers are super cute. I decided to put the dinosaur saying nice, and then the little speech bubble above her head is saying, I decided to go for it, because she's been talking about it for a while and then has kind of chickened out here or there. But today she's like, nope, I want to get it done. I'm excited. I really want my ears pierced. So we did it, and girlfriend pulled the trigger. She was awesome. It was kind of funny. She was super nervous, and they were like, it's okay, you're gonna do it. And then they like counted down, and she was like kind of whimpering. And then as soon as they like, did it, she started laughing hysterically. I think it was like a nervous thing because she was like sort of crying, sort of hysterically laughing. And I couldn't help but laugh because it was kind of funny. But she was super excited and proud. So yeah. So apart from that nervous tick, it was a good experience, and I was proud of her. She was very brave. So I'm sticking in some happy girl, happy life stickers, kind of ones that are like, there's a couple of the little people hugging, and then, I don't know, something else. So they just seemed appropriate. And then for yesterday, Friday, I'm drawing a little picture in pencil of a little fortune cookie saying, you will have a great day, holding up a sign. I found that online, and I just thought it was the cutest little drawing, so I decided to draw it in my journal, because you guys know I just was kind of struggling the last couple of days with, just life. I don't know. What do we struggle with? Nothing serious, just, convincing myself to not be weird and crazy. So every once in a while, my anxiety kicks up, and it's hard for me to function a little bit. But I was just drawing that little cookie, which was really cute. And then I traced over it with my Pigma Microns, and then I think I ended up coloring it in with my Crayola colored pencils. The whole time my kids were downstairs while I was journaling, and so it was just pure chaos in the background. It's kind of funny. And then they were coloring, but I had a lot of fun drawing this little what's it called, fortune cookie. And there was also this little cup of tea that said positivity, but there wasn't enough room in my page to draw that too. So I was like, next time I'm going to use that, because it was super cute. Kawaii drawings, I think, are just my favorite. Things that have the little face and that little smile. Oh, I just love them. I think they're adorable. And then I'm coloring it in. I think this envelope is so cool. I stuck a sticker on the front side of the little envelope flip-out book thing. Now this time I only did this one with 2 envelopes. Now you could do a flap underneath the other side and do a 3 envelope little flip book, which would be pretty cool. But I stuck a sticker from one of the sticker books on the front, and then journaled about Addie getting her ears pierced. And that little cat sticker flake was super cute. It's from the, I don't know what it's called, Amio sticker flakes. I'll link all the stickers that I can down below if I can find them. The Happy Girl, Happy Life ones were from Simple Heart, which is in Malaysia. So it was a great ordering experience. They just take a while to get. So I'll link that website below. And then I am writing a quote. It says, "With the new day comes new strength and new thoughts," from Eleanor Roosevelt. And I'm using my Pigma Micron in that kind of reddy brown color. It's my favorite shade. I think it's so pretty. It really just, I don't know, it somehow acts like a neutral. It just goes with everything. It's not a bright red. It's just really pretty. And then I am drawing with my Pigma Micron a little piece of sushi. It's like a little kawaii piece of sushi. I was gonna write like, well, the dinosaur, I also wrote saying, "Yay, sushi!" So that's where the sushi came from. And oddly enough, my kids' favorite game to play is Sushi Go. And those cards are so cute. I've actually searched many times like for Sushi Go stickers. I was wondering if they had, you know, a set of stickers that looked like the Sushi Go cards because I really want them. But I couldn't find them. So because they are so adorable. If you have that card game, just back me up. Tell everyone how cute those cards are. It's a really fun game. It's cute. So they love that, and Ticket to Ride, and oh, what's that other one? My husband is such a board game nerd, and he's tried to make them love board games, and I'm like, ugh. But I'll play them. I'll play them. So I can't remember the other one. It's like a kid version of an adult game. What is it? Where you like build a civilization and you have to trade like wool and sheep and stuff. Oh, I'll remember it, but it's fun. I can only play the kid version. I don't understand the adult version. So anyway, I'm just sticking in more stickers. And then one of those sticker books, I think the Paige Evans one, had these super cute alphabet stickers that were like floral. And so I spelled out SAT for Saturday. And then what else am I doing here? I don't even remember. Oh, my hearts. You know, it's not a journaling session unless I add some hearts. And then I'm putting some more stickers on the inside flap of my little envelope. I think it's just such a fun way to put something in your journal where you could tuck something private. If there was something more private that you wanted to journal about, you could tuck it in there. You could just tuck more like ephemera or Sprocket photos. It's just so cool, and what a fun way to add something neat to your journal. It just is so interesting. It makes you want to, you know, look in there and see what's going on. This card, I wrote a little quote on it. It says, "I lied and I said I was busy. I was busy, but not in a way most people understand. I was busy taking deeper breaths. I was busy silencing irrational thoughts. I was busy calming a racing heart. I was busy telling myself I am okay. Sometimes this is my busy and I will not apologize for it." I really liked that, and I really needed it this week, so I hope it helps one of you. Sometimes it's okay to tell people you're busy just to have a minute.